we're gonna be taking this door apart. Look at that, didn't even break. That is awesome. It's got these little tabs. I don't know how you get behind those, but you know what? It came out without breaking. This is glued in. I think it's for noise detonation. Oh man, look at that. Be careful not to get this stuff on your hands. To get this to roll up and down, we got the switch here, so what we'll do is we'll roll the put my 10 back on, put the key back in the car. It'd be good if we plugged in the main plug to work. Okay, so there's 110 right here for the glass. Right there. There's the other 10 bolt. Drop these out of the way. Ow. These things for the glass. Pull this one out too. Pull that out. Pull this out. These are all just number 10s. No, I wasn't trying to take the handle out. I was trying to get to the key lock cylinder.
Oh, you can change that?
Yeah, because whoever designed it, well, not whoever, but Subaru designed it, the big black plate, it's the track system, but I need to remove that to get to the... Well, hold on, let me see if we can just work our way around it.
Cuss words.
Okay. Let's see if that will allow us. Hold on, I gotta take these 10s out as well. I'll take this 10 out. Okay. I don't know if you can see. Hold that right there, there's the number 10. Right there. Get my 10 in there.
Oh, you extension.
Oh, no, it's coming.
The monkey's not all over the gun, too.
It's coming, it's coming. All right, hold on, if I can get out without dropping the bolt.
Just want to get it on the door, then we'll get it.
It's down at the bottom. Okay, let go of that real quick, Al. Hold it right there. I gotta unclip that green thing right there. See that green for the lever?
Yep.
Boom. Then slide this out. Boom. All right, pull this back over, and then we're gonna slide this thing get in here, and okay. You know what? Push the key cylinder out from the inside. There we go. Yeah. Haha. This we don't need, so.
Yeah, but you leave it there. I'll rekey it for something else.
This is the original one. Going back in.
First.
Let's do this. See if I can get it back in there without.
Yep, you're in there.
Okay, so put this in there.
Turn it to hold
Turn it and then pull it so it holds so you don't lose it. That's how I was holding it. There we go. You don't want to be careful with this so you don't cross thread it.
The hole lined up.
Voila.
Let go.
You let go. All right. Keys are in. Don't forget the most important thing is this green lever. You need to push it back in that little spot. And this thingy needs to clip over it.
Done.
We're done. And then, all right, now we go backwards. Sweet, that was pretty dope. Then you get this back into its spot. All right, hold it right there. Don't move. You can see the rings where the old bolts were at. We'll try to keep it the same spot so we don't lose adjustment. Right there. What do you mean match mark?
You get like the yellow.
I know, but you can see the spots. It's not the.
Yeah, it's a no. But you don't have those. There you go.
We put this screw back in here. 12 down here. All right. Got 10. Put the 10 back on. Okay, we're back in business, Al. Okay, come down. Or I can put this a little more. Right there. Well, let me see if I can get this side here.
I think it's easier from that side. Where you were sitting.
Oh no, I got it in.
Wait, it's in there? It's in the back? Okay. You put left hand and pull it in the bottom from sitting in your position and it goes right in. Have this bottom because it is all the time from that side. And this side is kind of like
But
way awkward, like fish out of water. Okay, now then. Where's the tracks, right? Yeah? Okay.
problem is,
Hold on, put this in here. Oh, I just
there's a 10 bolt right in here. Hold on.
crossed it.
No. Right here. You know what we should do? We should test. Okay, let it go. Let's see what. Yeah. We'll tighten it. Boom. Boom. Moving rather smoothly, guys. Actually, a little too smoothly. Yeah, it's me. I'm gonna test it here in a second. Let me get this other, this one in here. The guides. Okay. Okay. Want to test it? Yeah. There's a plug right here.
Yeah, we're there for it.
It's black, and that one, the original one on the door, is blue. Number 8.
Did we forget to do this on the white Outback? The gutting of the white Outback door?
Oh, these don't want to come out. Oh. Dropped one. There's one more. Pull it out. All right, bring that other one in. Okay.
looks like a button.
You need to remove this clip from here, from the old door. Give me those red dikes. They'll come out with the red dikes. Okay. And then these black plugs. There's one over there. One of these. There's supposed to be two of them. It's that wind noise sometimes. And then this will
You need another one?
plug in right there. It only comes with two. I mean, you know what? We got spares. We just put one in just to put.
Outback. You got them all day long. Step out.
But you know, people at home don't have as you know the resources we have. Let me get this out of the way. Don't need this door switch anymore. That's out of the way.
Right there. Just plug in right here.
Get the jump pack. Put the battery on it.
Died?
It died. I wanna make sure that we got sounds.
You need those?
Puts right in. Yeah, that should have a hood pop. Let's see. Okay, everything functions.
Okay.
All right, everything's in. Mirrors in, everything's in. Regulator, door panel. Just plug this in first. Because the light is on. Push these through the front here. That big screw that holds that thing here. Okie dokie. All right, let's try it one more time.
You can also pop this off, right?
What?
You can come off.
Actually, yeah, just take it off. It'll be without breaking it. Yeah. Yeah, just let it hang over the panel.
Nose dive it around. Wait. The movie?
The switches, they're different on the Baja. Technically, yes. I put the screw in, put that in. Let's test that out. Those work. The mirror controls work, it's the key. When this thing just pops on, press it all. Voila!
I had to hear how it sounds and the way it feels the action. Yeah, feel the what? No, feel it. Good enough, huh? Check
Hey,
this.
he's the boss. If he says it's good, it's good.
Signed off on it.
He signed off on it.
All right, Joe. Thank you very much. That's what you're here for. Sign off.
We're done for that one.